Keeping up with maintenance for all of your assets is a massive challenge. Information is buried in manuals, and experienced workers are retiring or hard to find. New team members struggle to access the information they need, leading to slower repairs, less reliable equipment, and rising maintenance costs. Meet your new MaintainX CoPilot. It lets you easily access information about your equipment and its work history. Start by turning asset manuals into standardized procedures and work orders. Each procedure includes step-by-step guidance, helping you standardize maintenance work, improve technician efficiency in the field, and increase equipment uptime. Get answers to the questions that will make maintenance safer and more efficient. Give technicians an expert that will help them work right first time. And do it all, just like you were talking to a coworker. It's time to put your data to work. Get your MaintainX CoPilot today.